Hello, students. Welcome. Today we are going to practice prepositions of place, specifically in, at, on. Which one? Please fill in the blank. Where is the dog? The dog is the beach. At. Yes, the dog is at the beach. Great job. And now, where is the dog? The dog is the garden. In. Yes, the dog is in the garden. And now, where is the dog? The dog is the balcony. On. Correct. The dog is on the balcony. Good. And now, where is the dog? The dog is home. At. Yes, the dog is at home. Good. Where is the dog? The dog is the car. In. Yes, the dog is in the car. Excellent. Where is the dog? The dog is the train. On. Correct. The dog is on the train. Next, where is the dog? The dog is work. At. Correct. The dog is at work. Good. Where is the dog? The dog is the kitchen. In. Yes, the dog is in the kitchen. Great. Where is the dog? The dog is the plane. On. Yes, the dog is on the plane. Good. Where is the dog? The dog is the airport. At. Correct. The dog is at the airport. Awesome. Where is the dog? The dog is the living room. In. Correct. The dog is in the living room. Great. Where is the dog? The dog is the bus. On. Yes, the dog is on the bus. Great job. Where is the dog? The dog is the bus stop. At. Yes, the dog is at the bus stop. And now, where is the dog? The dog is the backyard. In. Correct. The dog is in the backyard. Keep it up. Where is the dog? The dog is the vet's office. At. Yes, the dog is at the vet's office. And now, where is the dog? The dog is the boat. In. Yes, the dog is in the boat. Very good. Where is the dog? The dog is the roof. On. Good. The dog is on the roof. Excellent. Where is the dog? The dog is the coffee shop. At. Yes, the dog is at the coffee shop. Awesome. Where is the dog? The dog is the park. at. Correct. The dog is at the park. Good. How did you do? Were these easy, difficult, kind of difficult? Let me know how you did. Would you like more practice? All right. Thank you, everyone. Please like and share. I really want this channel to reach as many people as possible. If you want to learn English, I want to help. Thanks.